Looking for a stable, comfortable, and fun ride? Meet the Mooncool TK1 folding e-trike. With its powerful motor, foldable frame, and three-wheel stability, it's perfect for urban commuting and leisure rides. The removable battery gives you an extended range so you can ride longer and farther. And when you're done, just fold it up for easy transport and storage. Ride smarter with the Mooncool TK1 e-trike, where convenience meets comfort. Equipped with a powerful motor, this e-trike delivers effortless speed and stability, making every ride enjoyable. Need extra storage? The spacious rear basket makes carrying groceries, bags, or gear a breeze. And when it's time to pack up, the foldable design allows for easy transport and storage, perfect for small spaces. Whether you're looking for comfort, stability, or convenience, the Mooncool TK1 e-trike has got you covered. Upgrade your ride today. Experience the freedom of the Mooncool TK1 folding e-trike.